What's up folks, this is Arsnake with another development video for the April of 2012.
Sector 2. Sector 2.
Power restored.
Sector 2.
So what's new? Let's start from the major map releases, but what the fuck? Unfortunately, for the April we have no new map releases for Team Fortress, and I'm kind of disappointed because well, there was a lot of new maps this year coming out, and now seems like people having a break for exams or something, I don't know. But well, what we're gonna talk about then? We're gonna have a short talk about updates on our current project, as of course Smurf Escape 3. I'm working with Apps in Bed, and we're moving on. And we're currently finished part 3A. It looks like a scary swamp thing, shit. It's like it's a part like you have two separated rooms with different puzzles, and both rooms are open from the map start, so you can split in two teams, and one team going to one room and other team going to the second room, so you can complete the puzzles faster and progress through the map. And now we're almost done with part 3B. We're gonna be set in dusty canyons, and this part is going to be exactly the same as part 3A, so I hope you're gonna enjoy. There's various different puzzles, different difficulty of course, easy, medium, and some of course may be hard for some people. So that will be it, and when we're done we're gonna beta test a bit, and then we're gonna move on to the part 4, which will be the final part in the Smurf Escape 3, and I'm gonna rework part 2 because I'm not really happy with it yet, so that's gonna be probably in May, and of course in the beginning of the June. So that will be it if it comes to the projects and to the mapping business. And of course the last thing I would like to tell you is that I made recently I made a Twitter for daily mapping updates, and it's linked to my YouTube page. You can find it on my profile, or just here down there in the description of this video. So check it out and enjoy the updates. We'll be giving away like each second day or even every day. Well, we will see how it's going on, then we will decide how often we're gonna post there some shit. So stay tuned. The Smurf Escape 3 is gonna be released in either or in June or either in July, but I don't know. I really wanted to have Smurf 3 finished before my birthday, that is in June, but I think we're not gonna work it out until then, so it's probably gonna be late June or beginning of July. So stay tuned. Peace.